watch how I make this home decor vase, a very easy and very simple DIY home decor hack, guys. Make sure to watch this video until the end to see how I do this DIY home decor vase. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Lucy Kenga here, and I'm going to show you a DIY on how to make your home vase decor, guys. I'm gonna be using these yogurt containers as I show you how to make this home decor vase. It's a DIY and a hack, a home decor hack, guys. So watch this video to the end, and thank you for clicking and watching this video, guys. As you see, I'm peeling off the label paper. Then I wipe my containers and make sure that they are dry and very clean. And I'll be cutting one container at the bottom, just only one container. If you have a glue gun, it's okay, but I don't have for now, so I'll be using this super glue. Then make sure you put them together as you hold them down, and also make sure that you put them in an equal position. And the cut container should be on top. The one you have cut at the bottom should be on top when you're gluing them together. So I'm using this paper sellotape just to make patterns on my container. You can make any patterns round as you see, and also you can make them spiral. I decided to make them spiral just to have that dramatic look a little bit. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. This is the paper sellotape I used, and I divided it into half because I wanted those small spiral design, but you can use it the whole the way it is if you want to have larger spiral design. So I just divided half. Next, I'm going to use this spray paint, and it's metallic. So I took it outside just to spray paint it. And you don't put the spray paint closer, just a little distance, so that you won't have running paint on your vase, on your home decor vase. So my paint is fast dry. I waited a little bit, like 5 minutes, and I'm going to peel off my paper sellotape. Wow, look at the design, guys. Next, I'm going to decorate my vase with this. You can use anything to decorate it. I'm going to use this, glue them, and see the end result. If you're new and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video, guys.
It's so special, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things.
Comment down below what you think and how it came out, this home decor vase and DIY home decor.
I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah, you're mine for sure. You're mine for sure.
Look at my DIY home decor vase, how it came out, and I think it came out pretty good and very nice, guys. So yeah, now I have this. You can just put it anywhere in your cabinet, no need to put flowers. I decided just to put a little flowers up there, but you can just leave it like that, like a decor. And yeah, it's a home decor, and this is a DIY using yogurt containers, guys. Look at this, look at the outcome. And yes, please consider subscribing, like and share, and also comment down your thoughts, how you think about this outcome. I'm loving this vase. I'm vibing this home decor vase. This is a cool DIY, and yeah, keep up for more DIYs and home decor hacks and DIYs.